Rare childhood cancers are just so different to the common adult cancers. We know this because of the sequencing of the genomes of adult cancers and rare childhood cancers. There's such big differences, particularly in the number of changes in the genes. So the disease is very different. Sometimes the disease can be hard to characterise when looking down the microscope at the cancer cells, so it requires a lot of testing on the diagnosis side. So quite different, but importantly, that also opens up special new treatment options for the kids with the cancer. One of the great privileges for me is to chair the Scientific Advisory Board for a fantastic Australian initiative in childhood cancer called Zero Childhood Cancer. This is taking the cutting-edge genomic technology, understanding how the genes change in an individual child's cancer, and then taking cells from that cancer, analysing how they grow, what drugs work for them, and have the most comprehensive analysis of an individual child's cancer that's actually occurring anywhere in the world. This is groundbreaking, it's a great project, it's national, it's had terrific support from government and the philanthropic sector. So I think this is the big breakthrough that we've been waiting for. It's not going to deliver the goods tomorrow. It takes time, like all research, but it's linked to clinical trials. And as well as this approach of sequencing the genome, I mentioned earlier about the immune treatments. The immune treatments are just starting in childhood cancer, and they offer great potential as well. And so there's a great research effort going on in Australia. But through the foundation, you can get the support and advice, and through the healthcare professionals and the doctors at the treatment centres into this Zero Childhood Cancer initiative, which I think is a great thing for Australian children, offering real hope for the kids and their families after a very difficult diagnosis. So the diagnosis of a rare childhood cancer is devastating. I'd like to reiterate that good support is associated with better outcomes in cancer. The research has shown that in a variety of situations. So I'm delighted that the Leila Rose Foundation is providing such good support for families of children with rare cancers, providing the information, the support, linking in to the healthcare networks and the professionals that are needed to offer the best hope for each individual child. I just wish we had the Leila Rose Foundation for all patients with cancer throughout the world. It would make such a difference to cancer. Thanks very much for your attention. It's a real privilege for me to be the academic patron of the Leila Rose Foundation, and I wish you all a great night, and please get behind the foundation. It's just so important to the children and their families.